looking at me, leaning on my shoulder, holding my hand and kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now, can't look at my phone cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I want somebody to hold me, it's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2 I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3 I felt like dying, and then 4 I couldn't breathe. 5 months you're still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here but you're not. I wish you're gone. Thought it'd be a little clearer